So let's bring it back. I hope you had a good break. Got some water or something. So we already went through comment ça va, annonce. We reviewed the vocabulary of the unit, and now let's do some negation work. So for negation work, révision, la négation. Donc comment faire la négation en français? So what words do we use? We use ne pas. And how do we set them up? Well, it goes subject, ne, verbe, pas. Sujet, ne, verbe, pas. Okay, so the ne pas is kind of like a sandwich, if that helps. Goes around the verb. Donc par exemple, nous ne jouons pas au hockey. Ne jouons pas au hockey. Est-ce que vous jouez au hockey? Est-ce que vous jouez au hockey? Non, nous ne jouons pas au hockey. And this is something that's important that I'll come back to at the end, where it goes from vous to nous. My cat is chewing on the screen. Elle est soumise. It goes from vous, y'all. Do y'all play hockey? No, we do not play hockey. Je ne fais pas de yoga. Je ne fais pas de yoga. Est-ce que tu fais du yoga? Est-ce que tu fais du yoga? Again, so it's do you do yoga? And then you're going to answer with not no, you do not do yoga. You're going to say no, I do not do yoga. Non, je ne fais pas de yoga. Non, je ne fais pas de yoga. Okay. So again, I wanted to just kind of very briefly go through negation a little bit. This is something that we've reviewed quite a bit. Hope you're feeling really strong with it. If you recall, before spring break, before classes were kind of canceled, we did a quick quiz, a negation quiz. And what I did was I converted it to Canvas. And this way you'll just do the same exact quiz. Nothing's different, except it's on Canvas. And so you'll get basically a second chance, and this will be the one that really counts. So if you go into Canvas, and I'll show you in a moment, if you go into Art Class and then Distance Learning Resources, again, I kind of have this as the hub. Negation quiz, Canvas. Okay, and this is what I'd like you to do before Wednesday. All right, and you'll see, this is the information that you'll see. It goes through it. It shows you that you have 2 attempts, so you can take one practice run, and then the second one is the one that counts. It'll take the highest grade. So if the first one's actually a higher grade, that's fine. We can take that. And most important is, again, it's in 2 sections. For the first 10 questions, you're going to rewrite the sentences in the negative. So it gives you positive sentences that you're going to rewrite as negative. For the second 10 questions, you're going to answer the questions in the negative, right? Like we just did. So the first 10 are going to be something like, nous jouons au hockey, and you have to change it to nous ne jouons pas au hockey, right? And then the second 10 are going to be questions like, est-ce que vous jouez au hockey? And you'll have to respond with, non, nous ne jouons pas au hockey. And I've tried to make it as clear as possible, right? Just to fill in the blank. So again, it'll look kind of like this when you log in. Distance Learning Resources. Negation quiz. And take the quiz. Okay? So here, if you go to the homepage, I've also made an optional how are you doing? And so this is called, it's called an assignment, but really it's extra, it's 0 points. I wanted to give you all a chance to again respond to this kind of open-ended question that I asked you all before spring break, which is kind of how you're doing. And maybe your answer has changed since spring break, right? Maybe things have changed at home. Maybe you're feeling different about having to stay at home. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, or maybe it's just the same. I'd really love to hear how you're doing. Again, on Wednesday, I think I'll upload a video of me just checking in. not for homework, but just, again, to kind of help us see each other, help you see me, basically. But again, this is a very strange time, so I really want to give you space to check in with me and to let you know that I'm here to listen. And that's it. That's the end of the lesson for today. So if you have any questions, please get in touch. Again, my office hours are 10 to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. I'll be at my email, and we can schedule a phone call if that would work better. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of your family and your friends. Check in with each other, and I'll talk to you soon. Au revoir.